Hi friends, today let's make scrunchies along with the kids. The kids would really enjoy the making process. So let's make colorful scrunchies with the help of our kids. So the things required for the process are threads, scissor, safety pins, scale and elastic or elastic bands or rubber bands that we have, and fabric. So better go with a velvet fabric or a thick cloth rather than a silk or something. Then coming to the measurements, it's 22 inches length and 4 inches width. So we'll just mark this on the cloth. And now we'll cut this accordingly along through the line, and then we'll take this cloth on the reverse side and then just fold it lengthwise. And now we can stitch this along the open ends. So this is normal running stitch. So just show the stitch to the kids and then they can take over. So here I am trying to stitch little and show it to my kid. And now she's stitching it. So once done, this is like this, and then turn the other side and stitch through the gaps. So finally it looks like this, exactly like a machine stitch. Now just put in a safety pin, take a bigger one and then put it inside to reverse it, because all this while we were stitching on the reverse end, so we want the normal one. So just insert the pin and try to pull the band. So now it's on the correct side and it looks something like this. Now we need to insert the elastic band or the rubber band that you have. So I am taking around 8 inches for this. So again I am inserting 2 safety pins on both the ends of the elastic, and one end I am also tying it to the one end of the band of the fabric, and then putting it inside. So this is basically to get the elastic band from the other side. So once done, just take out the pins, and both the ends of the elastic needs to be stitched. And then once done, take one end of the cloth, fold it, and stitch one side. So now this looks like this, and now cover the other side and stitch both of the ends together. So finally, this is scrunchie that we made. Hope you like this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe.